Hey y'all, Miss Silly here. Today we're going to read I Want a Dog. I want a dog. Welcome to Happy Dale Animal Shelter. Are you looking for a porcupine? A weasel? I've got an adorable armadillo. No, thank you. I want a dog. A dog is an excellent choice, and a dog makes an excellent pet. But wouldn't you prefer this awesome anteater? No. How about this baby baboon? It doesn't go woof, but it chases a ball just like a dog. I don't want a baby baboon. How about this python? It doesn't have legs, but it slithers over when you call it. I don't want a python. What about this frog? It can hide a bone and it barks at passing cars just like a dog. That's not true. Frogs don't bark or hide bones. And besides, I want a dog. Look what I found, a goldfish. It wags its tail and knows how to play dead just like a dog. Mister, that goldfish is not playing dead. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bring you a dead goldfish. That's okay. I don't want a goldfish. I want a dog. Very well. Wait right here and I'll get the dog. Here's the dog. Mister, this is not a dog. This is a lizard dressed up as a dog. Yes, you're right, but you could train it to go woof. I don't want to train a lizard to go woof. I want a dog that goes woof. Would you consider this albatross, this kangaroo, or this darling wombat? No, no, and no. Excuse me, mister. I have one simple question. Do you even have a dog? No, I don't. Well, then I'm leaving right now. Wait! Before you go, would you please tell me what's so special about a dog? Sure! A dog is loyal, loving, smart, cuddly, goofy, courageous, and is the best friend you could ever have in this world. Actually, I might have the perfect pet. It's not a dog, but it sounds exactly like what you described. No, stop, please, don't bother. This is Lucinda. She eats 20 pounds of fish every day and needs to swim in at least 3,000 cubic feet of salt water. What do you think? I'll take her. Wow, whoever heard of an animal shelter that doesn't have a dog? But it's okay. Dogs are overrated. The end.